Also on the to-do list is these lights. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but they're yellow. They are very, very yellow. So I've actually bought a kit to get these cleaned up. Right then, okay, so for the headlights, we've got this T-cut headlight restoration kit. Restores yellow or lightly scratched headlights back to crystal clear. Now, I've used T-cut before and they are a decent product. With the headlights, I'm not 100% sure, I've never used anything. So I'm just going to do a quick unpacking, unboxing, and we'll see what we're actually getting in this kit. So, well, a little bit of rag. Then we've got headlight polishing compound and headlight restore sealant. Okay, so instructions, I don't think any of it's in English, of course not. No, none of it's in English. Italy, Portugal, Espanol. Okay, that's helpful. Well, let me try and work out how this works and then I'll get back to you. Right, I don't want to sound stupid, but it actually does say it on the back of the bottle. So for the polishing compound, it says restore one headlight at a time. You can do two at a time, couldn't you? Wash headlight with a quality shampoo to remove any surface dirt. Use masking tape to protect the painted surface around the headlight. Apply T-cut headlight polishing compound to the microfiber cloth, provided. And work it in circular motions and buff away any yellowing. Remove any remaining product with a microfiber cloth. Well, that sounds quite simple. So then the sealant is, after using the T-cut headlight restoring polish compound, ensure all residue has been removed. Shake the T-cut headlight restorer sealant bottle well. Pour a small amount of T-cut headlight restorer onto the microfiber cloth. Wipe over the lens in circular motions, ensure that the entire lens is covered. Use more sealant if required. This will seal in the shine and help remove any visible scratches. Then use the microfiber cloth to wipe away any excess liquid. Well, that's a lot of work for one small little microfiber cloth. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get some soapy solution and just give it a quick wipe over and a sponge. Make sure when you're using a sponge with an abrasive surface, use a white one. Don't use the yellow one. The yellow one scratches, the white ones won't scratch. Everything's been buffed nicely. Now we're going to take it off and see what happens. Well, I don't think I need to say anything here. Just look how much clearer that is now. It's very impressive. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go over it one more time and then I'm going to put the polish on. I mean, I'm impressed with that already, but now I'm going to put the polish on and see if that brings it out anymore. So there you go, that's the cleaning of one side. So yes, it looks 10 times better, but real world test. Now let's turn the lights on and see if you can see a massive improvement. So now I'm going to do exactly the same on this headlight. The only difference is I'm going to put a piece of tape along the centre and polish one side. That way you'll be able to see how much difference it does make as a side-by-side comparison. So you can see a bit of an improvement, and you can see the line, so it does make quite a big improvement, but it was hard to actually clean and without keep pulling the tape off, so I can't really give you as good a comparison as I first wanted to, but you can see the line there, it's quite clear. So now I'm going to do the whole light, get it polished, and then we're done. So the Astra lights, they've turned out really, really good. I'm really happy on how clear they've become. This T-coat, I don't know why I was doubting it in the beginning. It's brilliant, the whole product, all the paint polishing and everything else, it's always been great stuff. So I do highly recommend that. If I was to do it again, I would definitely take a bit more time doing it. I reckon if I did another, half an hour of doing that, they'd be like crystal clear. But like I said, I've got so much to do today. I'll pick it up another day and get them all finished off. I would recommend though having a different rag for each stage. So I'd have 5 rags, one for the cleaning, one for putting it on, one for putting it off, one for putting the polish on, one for taking the polish off. Because the cross-contamination, you could just end up in a load of nightmares of having stuff here, there and everywhere, and it's just no good. But yeah, that's the headlight done.